Hi guys, it's Alana Star. I'm here. It's probably extremely late. I don't even know what time it is. I know it's after already October 1st, so wow, October, it's crazy. So I was doing a download of light language and I felt like I needed to capture it on camera. I'm not sure if I'm going to share this or if I'll just keep it for myself, but either way, bear with me as I do my transmission, okay? Bratnia shatana yatana si shaturiyatanya tara. Makare bartushania si yashatani atia sata yashatana akaramatia satia shatana agriatete. Bratonia shatara awarashati tika sabratutu shala ariatani asatia. Abrateshutuni asata awarayatania shaprande tita sanda hoshono kere bratietana. Brateshani tara haripia shatani akaramba atia sa bratotu shatani akarapatia satia shatopatia satikariatia. Motoro pratia shatania sata. La brati shatinia saturo korea piratia shataria tarakara washatia sati ia sati shatara ariatara. Bratushuno abreti abre ahishadiata ari ahiara atia shambretiatara. Brashatone abrahiatiatinia shatari karambatana. Diabeti shatana harapati satia ratana. Pretia shatania asatakia shambaratana. Brashusania tahia ferantatinia sashakania tarahia hiatia shatania. Sapatania sishi tatakia soturo brahiana tara ia shatani brati shatara hariatia. Hariatania tara sharaturo variatini atara hia shanda abriaponia bratia teshiti. Bratia shatani abrakia shatana abriatinia sariatia yashatani abriatia ya. Hayaya via yetia shatani akretia sana abrotunia bratatia. Abratatia tatura shatara abriatia ombretia tara. Baratituria shatania tari akamba abriatia shatani ahriatana are adiria tara shati abriatia. Proto shatani abratu sushaniate yahira ariatia nashani. Proteshania tara keshetara hamaritiana every atia shania tara kiatia tara sharitia tara obrietania satia kakshandatia. Bratia shatnani atana habratia shatnani abrakia shania te. Amahadinia saturia bratinia shata yatia shania koranda tatia. Brotoshuno abrehia da ateshadia sabrekia tatania satia shatana abretia tana hana. Hariatania satia shatana hatia tia setia shaturi hadiatania satari hatia tia shaturi yatia tia hana vidiatia. Pratia shatani hati atara ariater shumbrahadiatana. Abrashatania satariatania sar uriatania krambratia shatia satia shatia shatia riatia siatia krambara. Kratia shatana havriatia siania toroshania atara. Brashatani asiria tarhia ariyashana auriatiania sadi. Sobrendia shatani akir iatara sabrepi shana oriatiania. Amashatia saprambatia kasi atian siati yumbriondatania. Prati shitini hatona habriatatias. Pratia shatana hariatani ia. Rashatania sati. Rashatani hasatia saporotia tiata. Hashania tatia sariketia tara aria shatana aproto nutu. Protonutura tietetire pratatara terietara setia tatara peritia tata. Pratia tashatetia retata. Prototo shatadia tata yatiatia natata. Pratachutana pratishatata kiashatani yariatiania tora havretiata. Brashatiata tia satoria brandatika. Brashandiata riatia senita te kinia shatani afriatana asiniatro. Yaniata dia hiania. Habriatiashania tariatinia sariatiana. Brashatania satania hatarayati. Brashateti. Abrashapatania sata iashate iasata. Sata ita sania shata yaturu ariatiatia. Mabariata hiashatani asakiata mbara ashaniata riatina. Broshatoni abratia satania shatia. So brata tatia, ta brata tatia, so kumbara yetenia riatana. Brashatia taria huna, abrototutia, sabritia shatania, sagrandia taria, tia seshomboriandia tana, abrashatinia tatia shakarambratia. Abrashatatia sepinga shaturia tatara, washatania tarai. Humburatuta shania taria kamba shamariatono. Shamboriatono prietia shatana. Heti eseni ombretitare. Tatira, tatura, tatira, tariambrata sotodora, tia samakria tia shatana. Abakria tatayina satia rietana. Amashanturia tuna. Ameshinia taria tenia soframbatana, yesatia hrendatia, tarogotia, tareshatia, tatia, rotonia, tatia, saturia, tana akaria tia satia. Brashatania savrota tianana. Hambatia se shukore payatia se turia parantika shatarea tiatana are aturia teregia tana asuriuturia tana. Hobratata shahoretatia shahrandata. Horende, randa, rekititane se shatania satane ahriandata. Brotushania tareha broshania haretiana sara. Uretia shina huriatia shakenia taria toria shambaretia satia kara hrianga. Bashani tera sekura dratia satania hariatiana hari auriapia piashania tana. Brashetania satane hariatia satu. Brati shitini sarambrati sabratati shatana auriata shambarahdia tana. Brashetania sataria tura pange shonia ariatia kriatia turia shaniatiati. Brashetinia satare. Obretia shavria. So I'd like to continue. I could go on and on, but my computer sometimes stops me and cuts my videos off without memory. So I'm going to stop it here. Basically, I'm looking for interpreters. That's why I'm starting to make these videos. I know there's people who have the gift of interpreting tongues. So please feel free to reach out to me. I'm not sure where it's coming from. It is definitely channeled. I started rolling my tongue recently. This is weird. So I'm actually excited about it because it really gives me good feelings. I feel like it's downloading to your spirit. Let the ego bypass, allow the transmission to come through and to speak to your spirit because I'm a pure love. My heart is at the highest vibration, pure love and light, and I'm an innocent child of God. And so the words that I channel are for the highest good of all beings. And I pray that all beings be free of suffering, and I send lots of love, gratitude, positivity your way. So thank you, and stay tuned for the next. If I publish this, wow. If I don't, maybe someday in the future, someone will watch this.